What is up, YouTubers? It's Mushroom, and here we have another Quickie car review, but this time it's a Matchbox, and it is the Pierce Dash fire engine, MBX Heroic Rescue, part of the F14 release, and 2013. Now, I wanted to point something out. If you notice, Matchbox has been using cheap plastic to blister pack their cars. I mean, if you see this, that's a crack in the plastic that made that happen. So, let's go ahead and crack this open, because it's already cracked, and let's see what we got here. This is the Pierce fire truck. Amazing detail. Got a ladder on top. Great fire truck. I love this thing. Matchbox just never ceases to amaze when it comes to stuff like this. No tail lights, but you know, hey, it's a red truck. Very cool. My only issue is, let's see, what do I have handy? My only issue and I guess complaint would be, whoops, hold on. What's up with the scale, guys? This is a Phaeton, and as if you noticed, if we were gonna kind of like compare scales, this thing kind of blows this thing. It's like this thing is 30% smaller than it should be. This should it should be monstrous, not the same size as Phaeton. Anyways, that's that is the Pierce fire engine Matchbox for your Quickie car review. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Questions and comments down below. If you have any other requests for a Quickie car review, please post it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.